Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to fix keyboard problem. Friends, you have your keyboard problem friends. So how to fix friends keyboard problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, and now let's see how to fix keyboard problem on oppo phone device. First of all friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on app management setting. App management friends, click here. Friends, second, oh sorry friends, first option, click on app list. Click here and guys find here guys keyboard. So we will wait for a while, and friends after loading, friends find here guys gboard. Okay, where is gboard? Friends, you can see gboard is here. Friends, click here. Friends, you can see storage and uses. Friends, click here. Friends, first click on clear cache, and friends now click on clear data and okay. And friends, come back. Friends, now friends you can use your keyboard without any problem. Friends, keyboard problem will fix. So friends, now you can use friends your keyboard way without any problem. Friends, you can typing here. So like that friends, we can fix friends keyboard problem on oppo phone device guys. So I hope friends you understood friends how to fix keyboard problem on oppo phone device guys. Friends, you will have to clear cache and clear data your gboard, and friends you can fix your keyboard problem. Friends, you can use your keyboard without any problem friends. After that friends, you have any problem, so friends you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys. But friends, like that friends, we can fix keyboard problem on oppo phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video guys and subscribe the channel.